Hey guys, Chad with Pure Media Systems here. Today we're going to be unboxing the Klipsch RC-64 III. As you can see right here, this matches perfectly as the center channel with the RF-7 IIIs from Klipsch, which is how we're pairing them here today. These speakers are replacing the Klipsch RF-3s, which were from 2001. They were the baby brother to the RF-7s back in 2001. Equivalent today would be the RP-8000s from Klipsch. In today's standards, they don't make an equivalent or a step down from the RF-7s, with the exception of the RP-8000s in that line below there. So as we open here, just like the RF-7s, it tells you to open from this side, as well as giving you instructions on here of exactly how to do that, because this is a very large speaker. In the top we have the manual. Set that aside. And it wants us to actually set the flaps down and roll it out to get it out. So we're going to do that here. Box side over here. Stand it on end. As you can see here, it actually has the grill taped onto here. I'll show you that here. That out here. I'll actually use this to demonstrate. Grill will slide out just like so. Their new grills actually are partially see-through or transparent so that you can see the copper cone underneath. Set that aside for right now. Pull the speaker out. Set this down here. Let's set this here. We're going to set speaker right on top. And this is the bottom. Just so you can see the size of the speaker here. Now the manual does include 6 rubber feet here that will put onto the bottom of the speaker so that it can be placed onto the console or table, whatever you're using to hold your center channel. As always, if you're needing any auditions of any AV equipment, don't hesitate to call Pure Media Systems today at 972-905-0556. Look forward to putting the next video out.